Hey guys, welcome to Zen Art to Paint. Today I got a request on how to make a window painting of a cat looking out into the distance. So the seasons is changing, it's going into more of the fall months, so I figured we'll do a fall-like background. We'll start off with that. I'm going to try to go for softer blues because the sky is a little bit more softer in the fall. The colors are a little bit more, and the colors in the trees are more vibrant. You got all different shades of orange and reds and yellows. It's my favorite season. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So we'll start off with first an 8x10 canvas. And if you have a chalk pencil and a ruler, maybe measure out on how you want your window placed. I want a little bit of room at the bottom to place my cat. It's going to be on a windowsill. Maybe I'll add in some pillows. I'm not really sure yet what I'm going to do with this area, but I do know the cat's going to be sitting and looking in the distance. I don't really want my cat to be laying down because I just feel like it would be nice to see it looking into the distance. If you want to make it laying down, that's fine with you. But what I did is I just kind of like sketched everything out real quick for the idea of the placements of where I want my stuff to be. Obviously this all is going to be covered, so it really doesn't matter, and it's chalk pencil, so it just washes away with the paint. Doesn't blend in or anything like that. You can use any color chalk pencil, it really doesn't matter. Let's see, what do I got here? Yeah, these are like general pastel chalk pencils, and they're really good. And I have multiple colors, and I've used them on canvas, red, even black, and it just blends in with the paint. I would not use the black, but you know, the fair colors are good to use. So do that first, and then masking tape is what I'm using to cover the edges because I don't want my sky to blend in with my windowsill. I'm not sure if I want my windowsill to be like a more of a fair, light tone, or if I want it to be a darker tone. So I want to keep it nice and clean. So that's what I'm starting off with for the masking tape. So covered all the edges. If any gets in, like on the side, don't worry about it. But that's what we're starting off with this. To show you an idea of a painting that I made in the past, unfortunately I don't have a video for it, but I had something different in mind for this one, but this is how it came out, and I love it, and this is what we're kind of trying to go for with this one. So this is what I came up with in the past, and this is a window view, distant view painting. And what I have here is the sun rising while the moon just passes by. And from the distance you can see the land, the trees, and when you come forward, closer, you see things in a more close-up view. And the window is obviously open with this one. I have it more opened. And it's supposed to like kind of resemble of what a spring day, night or day, morning would be, with the curtains flowing from the breeze. That's what I was trying to go for. Originally, I had something completely different in mind with this picture, but this is what came out, and I'm really happy with it, and it's given me insight of what I want to do next, which is this one. We're going to have some similarities to that one, and I'm looking forward to how this may turn out, and I'm glad to have you tag along with me, and I also would love to see what your pictures came out to be. And if you don't have the exact color tones as me, you know, use whatever you have. We all see things differently. We may not have all the colors right in front of us that I'm using particularly, and I would like to see different views on this painting. And if you have any questions, you can always outreach me here. You can always outreach me to my Facebook, which is just Melissa Seiko, or you can reach me at my Instagram, which I'm very active on. That is Zentangle 88, I believe. It should be up on my page. I have so many different usernames for these sites I sometimes lose track, you know, just forgive me for that. But you can always reach me here, if anything. I do check daily. So let's get started.